Good morning, Bears. I'm your anchor, Ricardo. Today is Friday, February 13th, and once more, let's celebrate our Lady Bears basketball team district champs once more. Playing their senior game, the ladies beat Warren 56-45 this past Tuesday, with Dayla Moore Tapia hitting for 18 points, Belle Flemings dropping 13 points, and Janae Walls scored 11 points to secure the district title. Their next stop is the first round of the playoffs when they go against Reagan on Tuesday at the Northside Sports Gym at 6:30 p.m. Congrats to our Bears soccer team on their 2-1 win over Sotomayor this past Tuesday. Edson Ferreras and Patrick Laughlin each scored goals, and Aaron Galuski had 4 saves for this win. Tonight, they take on Harlan at Northside Field 2 at 7 p.m. Our Lady Bears soccer team fell to Sotomayor this past Tuesday 4-0. Today, they take on Harlan at the Northside Field 2 at 5 p.m. Let's wish our Lady Bears softball team lots of luck at the Brandonham tournament today through Saturday. BF&D ladies. Our Bears baseball team will scrimmage Tabby today and play the Derby tomorrow. BF&D baseball. Our Bears basketball team ranked 4th in state and 3rd in city by Max Preps. Took it to Stevens yesterday and walked away with an 88-52 win. Tomorrow they look to add another win to their 14-game winning streak when they face Taft at the Harlan District Gym at 12:30. Again, congrats to our Bears track and field 4x4 relay team for taking down a school record from 2019. This entire group returned better and more determined with this new 3 minutes. 19.40 seconds recorded last week at the NEISD meet. BF&D Bears and Lady Bears track team today at Medina Valley meet. Seniors, Brennan will be hosting FAFSA workshops in February to assist families in completing the financial aid application. Also, remember that the Alamo Promise deadline is February 28th. Let's check out the flyer. Check out the flyer or stop by the Career Center A142 if you have any questions. It's also Valentine's week, and what could be sweeter than a full bag of candy and little stuffed bears for your Valentine. Debate will continue to sell stuffed bear bags today during the lunch periods. Pick up your sweets, and for some of you, look out for them to be delivered. Finally, today we finish up Kindness Week Spirit Days with Impress Others with Kindness Day. Hope you show kindness throughout the week. This is all we have for today. Be sure to follow us on X at BTV Bears and look for us on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching up BTV Bears. Let's have a great week. Keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in our learning and continue to evolve every day. And remember, Monday is a student holiday. Yay!
This is a BTV production.